Kiki Palataya, Kiki Palataya.
Hey everybody, we are back. Today we're going to be talking about, for one thing, is this brand new Thomas & Friends Minis Target Blast Stunt Set. It's a brand new item we just got yesterday at Target, and part of it's right there. And there's Kiki, and what do you want to say, Kiki?
Welcome to Kiki's Family Toy.
Welcome to Kiki's Family Toy World. That's right.
Oh, yeah.
And but before we introduce, Red Titan's down there. What's Red Titan doing? Was he just skateboarding a minute ago? I can't see him. There he is. Well,
Guys, use the hand.
Can you
use
see
the
it?
hand. Okay, yep. Okay, let's see Red Titan skateboard really quick before we get started on anything else.
Hurry up, quickly.
Oh, he's over there.
Whoa!
Oh,
what a
I
stunt.
kind of missed him.
Oh,
Can you do
try
that
it
again?
Try it again. Keep
You're
your
excited
mouth up.
about that?
Nobody can see
Turn him
his
around.
face.
I see his back. Uh-oh, turn him around.
Hurry.
Turn Red Titan around.
Turn him around this
Turn
way.
Red Titan around that way. Yep.
There you go.
There's Red Titan.
Whoa!
Red Titan's on a tech deck skateboard. Whoa, look at that.
All right. So we have bought some Thomas and Friends mini trains.
3-packs.
A 3-pack. And it comes in 3. So if you can see it up close.
Could that be why it's called a 3-pack?
Let me see
Probably.
here.
Yeah. Maybe. 1, 2, 3. 3
1,
pack.
2, 3. We got it. We have Ashima. And we have, let me look at the back, Sushi Diesel and Rainbow Rosie. And that's one pack we have.
Let me, because the light's reflecting off the package. I'm trying to get a picture of the package.
And
before
we'll
I
open it up so we're gonna.
We think these are 2019 items. They don't say so on them, but we heard that there's some 2019 blind bags out there that feature a sushi character. Yeah, okay, and what sushi ones do we have? Sushi, who?
Sushi, this new pack, another new pack of 3. This one right here is Sushi Birdie, he's the bus.
Sushi Birdie the bus.
And then Queen Bell, that's
Bell.
a new one. And then everybody should know
Diesel
that is
10.
Diesel 10.
All right.
So we're
Okay.
gonna,
And how about we opened up a couple other ones that we got a few days ago.
okay, so we have Rainbow Thomas. He's full
Rainbow
of
Thomas.
awesome colors. And then this is Bunny Rosie. Bunny Rosie has carrots.
Carrots, and she's got
And
on top.
then-
She's got ears and a cottontail, I
And a
think.
cottontail right there.
Okay.
And
What are you doing back there, Kiki?
then Victor, the classic
Oh.
Victor.
You're spinning Red Titan like a tornado. Oh boy!
And then
Don't hurt him.
the other set of 3 we have
It's like
classic Clarabelle.
a classic Clarabelle.
And then the Christmas Percy. Christmas Percy. Got some wreaths and looks like Christmas. It's decorated like Christmas.
It's got snowflakes all over it and snow on top.
And Lizard.
Lizard Percy.
Let me just double check on that. Lizard Henry.
Lizard Henry.
It's
Another one is
looks
Christmas
like a
Percy and Lizard Henry.
All right, we're gonna open them up, and then we're gonna set them on our stunt set.
Okay, so what the stunt set does is you have where's that special train at that came with it? The special Thomas. It's right here. It's Thomas, and he's got on this plastic mechanism that holds on this green kind of like Velcro cape. So Thomas he goes
Like,
down, and it's a
like that.
special. Let me see if I can real quickly flip this. Give me a second here. Flip this
I get way more
holder
power
off for the
than-
cape, so you can see this special edition
Okay, open
Thomas
that
that comes with it. He's got on just some like flashing like colors, like flashing lights, I guess it would look to me, all over him. And here's a mechanism for the cape holder, I shall call it, technically. And that clips back in place. And by the way, Thomas has blue translucent wheels for this special edition set. And his undercarriage is like a translucent reddish orange, I guess, to me. And anyhow, well, red, I guess. And he goes down this big ramp here on this new Target Blast Stunt set. He hits the target right down there. And when he does that,
Need help?
our lovely assistant Gaga was in the way.
Gaga,
I
come.
couldn't see her.
Sorry about that, guys.
He hits the target, and Sir Topham Hatt up here is on above a dunk tank. And when he hits the target hard enough, he knocks Sir Topham Hatt off in the dunk tank. Now, we don't have any water or anything like that in it. I don't know if you would want to do that or not, or whatever you would want to put in that. Some slime or something, I don't know
Gaga,
what kids might do. So Thomas parks up here,
Gaga, what? We will.
and when he's
we'll
ready,
see, we will Tommy.
Okay,
you
I'm like,
push him down the ramp. Oh,
where's her
and I
dog
kind of
at?
didn't miss what I missed what happened. It happened so suddenly. There's
let's try this
Kiki. He's
again.
hanging some Thomas minis up on the set. Like, you know, you can put them there like you do most other Thomas sets, where you can, you know, include the minis, kind of like way the Superstation is set up and so forth, where you can hang extra trains up and stuff like that.
Okay, Kiki, I want you to show everybody
Kiki, can you show us what's
what
going to go on?
Kate Thomas does.
Yes.
Okay, as he launches.
I don't know. Does he have like a name? I don't think he has a name on the back of what they really call him. It's a Target Blast Stunt set. I think it just comes. It comes with a.
I think it's just a Thomas with a cape.
Yeah, it just kind of comes with a figure. It says a Thomas minifigure. I have the.
Here,
Hey,
let's-
Tommy.
Whatever. I don't know.
Hey, Tommy.
It's just a Thomas mini with a cape, I guess. So.
Guys,
Want to make sure we're doing things correctly. I see that. Okay. So can we show how this thing works, Kiki?
Kiki, explain to everybody what you're gonna do with the. Whoa! He flew off. And what happens to Sir Topham Hatt?
Where'd Sir Topham Hatt go? He actually flew over the dunk tank
So Papa could see.
into the grass. So
Okay, here, hold on. We do this a couple times.
yep, let's do this a couple
pretty
times.
Cool. He launches and he.
Oh, there that time Thomas's Velcro cape stuck,
And then.
and Sir Topham Hatt didn't fall, but it wasn't hard enough, I guess.
Hey, boy.
And there's fireworks that come up when
He's flying.
Thomas hits the target. Okay,
All right,
let's show
try
him,
it again.
Kiki, can we put it down the ramp again?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he didn't go in the tank.
But almost every time Sir Topham Hatt's flying way beyond the tank, and you can't move or adjust the tank. It's attached to the whole stunt set.
Keep trying.
Okay, Kiki,
Wow.
gotta move over a little bit, buddy,
So
so I can
everybody
get you.
can
Maybe if
see.
we put this at an angle, so we can.
Push that fireworks down. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna try and get this.
Wait. Oh, you went ahead of me. Okay. So let's make sure.
Yep, there you see
Wait
the
a minute.
fireworks came up. Wait, Kiki, wait until we're
Let
ready.
me put Sir Topham Hatt.
Gotta
on
get Sir
his
Topham
little-
Hatt mounted on his platform.
Whoa.
There we go. We did it again. You see the fireworks came up, And once again, Sir Topham Hatt, he flew way over the dunk tank area. Whoa! That's pretty cool.
Pretty fun stunt that Thomas is doing. Oh, he's upside
So this is pretty exciting. We've been waiting a while for these.
Whoa!
To see
He's,
it.
he's
Oh!
upside down in the...
He's upside down in the dunk tank.
Oh, don't try on Sir Topham Hatt.
Oh, I missed him. He came out already. Kiki, did you take him out? Kiki, I would use 2 hands, honey, on that, so you don't rip the cape or nothing.
Let's try this
Because this
again.
is like, it's, hold on,
Not yet.
Kiki, hold on, Kiki. I just want to show you something. It's like
Wait,
kind of a clear plastic Velcro
so let everybody can
kind of
see
thing
the side,
right there.
Okay?
that the target's made of. Oh,
Oh, he went to the bottom of the tank. Here, put
no, he
the-
went in front of it again, didn't he?
Ironwork.
Okay, let's try again. We're a couple zooms on that.
Oh,
Whoa,
it's the top
Topham
hat
Hatt wasn't there yet.
Wait, yeah,
Let's-
you need
let's-
to wait. All right, let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa, and that
Try
was
again.
Too
Oh.
light where it didn't even hit hard enough to knock Sir Topham Hatt off. One more time, Kiki. Whoop, too late again.
Guys are trying. Oh, he's running the tank down. Hold
Wait,
on.
let us get it set up again.
Okay, so Topham Hatt needs to be done.
Whoa!
Oh.
Fireworks, and he flew way off of there.
Are you okay? Are you okay, so Topham Hatt? Let's try this again.
Hey, it's flying. Whoa. Yeah, yeah. It's flying.
Oh, you think it would fall. Now, when he takes the Thomas off, he falls.
It's
Try
flying.
again. Whoa!
I got over. Okay, it's forward.
What do you think of this set, Kiki? Oh, he's not adjusted yet.
Oh, let's adjust. What do you think? Tell everybody what you think.
Fun.
He said it's really fun. Why is it fun, Kiki?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
To look at the camera. Why is it fun?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is it because
Yeah,
Sir
why?
Topham Hatt? What happened to Sir Topham Hatt? He just likes the game.
So anyhow, we've been waiting for to see if there's any 2019 Thomas Minis coming out, and we're excited the other day when we found a new set and you know these 3-packs.
Oh, he's got to have a game
Again, the
box.
3-packs aren't dated 2019, but I know they are from what I've
I tried.
seen
You
in
wanna try?
various places. That there's other sushi characters out
Ready,
in
ready.
Thomas
Yay!
Mini blind bags.
We dumped Sir Topham Hatt. Awesome.
It's flying.
Remember to pick this Target blast up. Either at Target or Walmart.
Well, I've
And
only
check
seen it so
online.
far at Target.
You might have it at Walmart, but check online.
So yeah, we found it at Target the other day, and there's also one more newer. It's a little bit bigger Thomas set that's out for Thomas Minis. I actually can't think of what the name of it was. It was. Let me see. If I
You
took
go,
a picture of it.
Thomas. You go, Thomas.
I'm trying to find. Okay, let's do it a couple more times. What's going on there is
Oh, he's flying up higher. Whoa!
It's on the scratch.
the other new set is called.
Tracking.
It's a Trackmaster. It's not Thomas Mini, pardon me. It's Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Dragon Escape Set.
Ooh.
So we'll be testing that out probably at the end of the week. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you guys so much for watching. And sorry we haven't made a video in like a week. Gaga has been under the weather, and
Hopefully I feel better soon.
yep. So that's unfortunate. Oh, you blowing on Thomas?
Oh, let's see what happens.
Okay, let's
Blow.
blow.
Whoa!
He blew on him, and he went down the track, but he didn't hit hard enough.
Oh, that's a neat trick.
Well, do you guys want to say thank you to everybody?
Thank you for watching. Turn around and say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Say
guys.
please watch, subscribe, share with the whole world.
Yeah, and
Say
pick up
subscribe,
this nice,
Kiki.
awesome Thomas toy.
Kiki, say subscribe.
Love you
Say
guys.
love you. Blow kisses. Oh, that's nice. Make a heart. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please watch, like, subscribe, share with everybody around the whole entire world. Thank you guys. Appreciate you.
Kiki Kiki